Hi student, now we are studying theorem of angle between tangent and secant. So tangent and secant. So how we are this intercepted arc which is inscribed by an angle, and we will see how the proof, that is angle ABC, is half of this intercepted arc ADB. Similarly, you can see three different cases. First case is for right angle, second case is for acute angle, and third case for obtuse angle. Okay, so let us see the statement. If an angle has its vertex on the circle, so this vertex is on the circle and its one side touches the circle and other side intersect the circle in one or more point, then the measure of angle is half the measure of the intercepted arc. So that means they mean to say that one part, that is one part of this one side, it touches the circle at 2 points, and the another part, that is another side, it touches the circle at 1 point. So this angle is half of the measure of the intercepted arc, that is ADB. Similarly, same thing we have to prove for three different cases. So let us see the proof. So we'll write first to prove. Same proof we have to prove for three different cases. Angle ABC is half of the measure of the arc ADB. So this proof we have to prove for three different cases. Let us see now what is given to you. In given, you can write angle ABC be an angle. Okay, angle ABC is an angle whose vertex whose vertex whose vertex B lies on the circle. Vertex B lies on the circle. All the vertex B lies on the circle. Circle on the circle with center, you can write with center M. Now after that we can write BA intersect the circle at 2 points. Okay, so BA intersect segment BA intersect circle at point A. Arc ADB, this also you have to write, arc ADB is intercepted by angle ABC. So arc ADB is intercepted for angle ABC for all the three different variants. Now let us see case 1. So for case 1, refer the first figure. What that figure says, that angle ABC lies on the circle with vertex at point B. So very first figure. So write down angle ABC. You can directly write angle ABC is equal to angle MBC, which is equal to 90 degree. Okay, by using the theorem tangent, you can write down the reason by tangent theorem. After that, arc ADB is semicircle. Arc ADB is semicircle. Okay, arc ADB is semicircle. ABC is equal to MBC is equal to 90 degree by tangent theorem, and arc ADB is semicircle. This also you have to write. After this, we can write measure of arc. Now measurement of this arc will be, measure of arc semicircle is measurement is 180 degree. Okay, so you can write by definition of measure of arc. Then after that, you assign it equation 1 and here equation 2. Okay, so you can observe that angle ABC is equal to half of the measure of arc ADB. So angle ABC is how much? 90 degree. Okay, so half into measure of arc ADB is 180. So half of 180 is 90. So angle ABC we can write half of measure of arc ADB from 1 and 2. So this is first case. For second case, you can see M lies in the exterior of angle ABC. Okay, and we have to draw this radii MA and MB. Angle MBA is equal to angle MAB. These are equal because their angles, because these are radii of the circle, so their angles will be equal. Okay, so angle MBC, it is by tangent theorem, it is 90 degrees. So let us write For case 2, M lies in the exterior of the circle, in the exterior of angle ABC. Then draw radii, that is MA and MB. So therefore angle MAB you can write is equal to MBA. These are reason isosceles triangle theorem. So now angle MBC you can write is equal to 90 degree. Angle MBC is equal to 90 degree by using tangent theorem. So see now MAB and MBA are equal, so consider it as x. Okay, so let angle MAB is equal to MBA is equal to x. Okay, and another angle which is the exterior angle ABCBY, let angle ABCBY. Okay, so by using the properties we'll add all these angles. So angle MBC is equal to angle MBA and ABC. Okay, MBA is equal to angle MBA plus angle ABC. Okay, so what we'll get, we'll add these two, x plus y, that is angle MBC is equal to x plus y. Okay, so earlier we wrote angle MBC is equal to 90 degree, so therefore x plus y is equal to 90 degree. Multiplied the equation by 2, so we get 2x plus 2y is equal to 180 degree. Now consider the triangle AMB. So write down in triangle AMB. Okay, so we add all the angles. So we'll add angle by using sum of all the angles of triangle is 180 degree. Okay, so we'll add angle AMB plus angle MBA plus angle BAM is equal to 180 degree. So wherever A and B is there, we already assigned x. So angle AMB plus x we get 2x is equal to 180 degree. So now in place of 180 we can replace this value. So angle AMB plus 2x is equal to 2x plus 2y. So 2x can be cancelled. Angle AMB is equal to 2y. So therefore we can say y. Therefore y is equal to 2 will go on that side, half of angle AMB. And angle we know y is equal to half of angle AMB. Now if you see angle AMB is the central angle. AMB is the central angle and central angle is equal to this intercepted arc. Okay, so in place of angle AMB what we can write, half into measure of arc ADB. So y is replaced by the angle, which angle y is representing angle ABC. So we can write angle ABC is equal to half of measure of arc ADB. So this way we have to prove this.